In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Workspace on Slack. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting a Slack workspace is permanent. All messages, files, and settings are removed and cannot be recovered. If there's any chance you'll need your data later, plan to export it first. Also, workspace deletion is typically limited to the workspace owner or primary owner. Make sure you're signed in with the right account that has the necessary permissions. Let's start at Slack's sign-in page. Open Slack and sign in to your account. From the landing view, choose Open on a workspace so you can pick the specific workspace you want to remove. If you're prompted to use the desktop app, select Use Slack in your browser to follow along with these steps directly in a web tab. This keeps everything in one place and ensures you see the same admin options shown here. Once your workspace opens, head to the admin area. You can do this by opening the main menu and selecting the admin section, or by using the admin link in the interface if it's visible to you. From there, choose Workspace Settings. This will open your Workspace's administration page in the browser, where all the key controls live. On the administration page, switch to Settings and Permissions. This section contains your Workspace's core controls, including ownership settings, security, and the option to delete the workspace. Scroll to locate the Delete Workspace option and select it. Slack will now display clear warnings to make sure you understand what happens next. Take a moment to read the alerts on the page. You'll see a message explaining that deleting a Slack workspace cannot be undone, and that all messages and files will be irretrievable. Slack also reminds you not to delete the workspace if you only want to change the name or URL. In those cases, you can adjust settings without removing everything. If you do need a copy of your content for compliance or record keeping, select Export Your Data. That link opens Slack's export area, where you can request and download a copy of messages and files permitted by your plan and role. When your export is set or you've decided you don't need one, return to the Settings and Permissions page to continue. Back on the deletion screen, select Delete Workspace again to proceed. You'll be taken to a confirmation page designed to prevent accidental loss. Here, review the summary one more time. When you're ready, choose Confirm Deletion to move into the final step. You'll now see a checkbox acknowledging that you understand the deletion is permanent. Select the checkbox to confirm you accept the consequences. Next, click into the Slack password field and enter the password for the account you're currently using to perform this action. This step verifies that the authorized person is making the change. Be sure you're entering the correct password for the right account. With the acknowledgement checked and your password entered, select Yes, delete my workspace. Slack will process the request and permanently remove the workspace along with all its content. If at any point in this last step you realize you're not ready, choose Cancel instead. Canceling will stop the deletion and return you to safety without making any changes. That's the complete process, from sign-in to final confirmation. To recap the most important points, use the admin and workspace settings areas to find the delete option, read the irreversible deletion warnings, export your data if needed, confirm with the checkbox, enter your password, and choose Yes, delete my workspace to finish. Proceed carefully and only delete when you're absolutely sure you no longer need the workspace or its data.